All right, boys, so check it out. Today is a good day because I get to go to the arcade for work. That's my job. I also get to check out the OttoSafe dash cam. I've never had one of these. So I'm gonna review that and run some sets. This is my job. Let's go.
Telling you that it's button check. You're not tuning the button check.
All right, Butt Check family, welcome back. And yes, you have guessed, life is good. Oh my God, I'm about to show you the footage right now. Hang on tight. I'm about to show you the footage right now. Special shout out, y'all. This is the OttoSafe Cam right here. So this is the OttoSafe Cam 2-in-1 dash cam with wireless CarPlay adapter. It is on sale right now. And when I say affordable, y'all, I mean affordable. This thing comes with all the bells and whistles, and it's only like right around $140. That's it. With all this technology, it is super affordable. So I'm super appreciative to not only be able to test this out, but to have it. Now I get to install this in my car and we roll into the arcade. Okay, so here I am. I'm about to drive to the arcade, and no, I'm not driving and recording at the same time. I'm definitely gonna do it safe. So I'm gonna cut back and forth between these shots and the shot of me in the studio. And we're gonna review the new OttoSafe Cam. Never had it before. We're gonna show you the live footage as we're on the way to the arcade. The cool thing is I have it set up right here. You can see it. All you do is stick it, plug it in, and it's ready to go. That is it. It has a button on the side. It's literally just one touch. You can power on, power off, or you can turn on the Wi-Fi all with the touch of a button. I would say this is about, I don't know, maybe 3 inches, something like that. So nothing too big. You plug it in, and I have it plugged right here. So that's it. That is the only outlet that you need. I'm sorry, my backpack's right here, but it's plugged in right there. Now, the cool thing is they provide another camera. So you get 2-in-1. I didn't know that. This is another one right here. Check this out. It's a little smaller. The cool thing about this is you can plug it on the back of the seat, or I'm sorry, stick it on the back of the seat. Like if you want to keep an eye on the baby, your children, or you can see how long, look how thick this is. Look how long this is. Or you could put it all the way in your rear view, as far as like the back window, and you could use it for a rear camera. So you could actually have a front camera and a back camera, all for the price of one. And if that wasn't enough, they throw in the wireless. So this is the CarPlay right here. If I plug this in, it's gonna sync to your phone, and then your mirror. We talked about it before, I wanna say like sometime last year. It's gonna mirror your phone on your car screen, all for one price. I believe it's right now, it's like $140. I've never seen it that low. Either way, we talking too much. Let's start some driving and run some sets. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a bit of footage as I'm doing my travels real quick, and I'll cut back and forth because I'm driving, right? So I wanna be as safe as possible. And I'm actually heading to the arcade, and I figured, why not use it in a real way like most of us would? Rather than just sitting here talking about specs, I'm gonna use it in real time. I'm talking about a real drive, real traffic, a real actual gaming trip. Most dash cams, you completely forget they're there. If you wanna see like what they're recording, you usually have to grab your phone or get an SD card somewhere, but with this one, you can actually see the road view directly on your car's display. That can sound small until you actually use it. Everything feels integrated instead of just adding another screen stuck to your windshield. And the footage itself looks really clean, whether you're driving in daylight or late evening or darker roads where cheaper cameras usually fall apart, everything stays surprisingly clear. That's exactly what you want from something that's supposed to record the unexpected. What's the point if it's not good footage? And I'm pretty sure we all could relate where somebody almost causes an accident, cuts across 3 lanes, or does something that makes you immediately say, what the was that? Yeah, I gotta be PG on here, but you know what I'm talking about. Road rage, it's a real thing. And the reason why it's a real thing is because traffic and life and people that don't know how to drive is a real thing. So obviously you would hope that the dash cam would catch something like that, and with the OttoSafe Cam, you can instantly save that moment by simply double tapping your car's screen. That's it. No open apps, no searching menus. And if something serious actually happens, important clips are automatically locked, so they won't accidentally get overwritten later. That's one of those features you don't think about until, God forbid, you actually need it later. All right, so here we are, we made it. Now, another thing I appreciate is that after the drive, if I ever want to review the footage or delete old clips or lock something important, I don't have to jump through a bunch of hoops. Everything can be managed either from the car's display or from my phone. Okay, so we are here. We are at Penn Stacks right there in Dallas, Texas. Now, usually I go to Round 1 or like a smaller arcade because they usually have fighting games over there. But this is the closest one, and it's kind of rush hour right now. So I looked it up. They're supposed to have fighting games in here. Let's run it. I hope you guys are enjoying the video because I've never did this style before. but I'm having fun doing it. So as we run the set, I'll give you guys some more information. Let's go. Bruh, ain't no fighting games in here. They literally told me there was fighting games in here. There is no fighting games in here, bro. This is amazing. She literally just got the big win. It's going up, it's going up. That's crazy. We were spending all our money trying to get the big win and she got it. People was like kind of looking at me funny recording, so I was like, I think it's time to go. Either way, man, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely check out link down below. Like I said, best bang for the buck. Super affordable with all these options and all this technology. Okay, so after I used the OttoSafe Cam, after I used it all, here's what stood out the most. Wireless CarPlay keeps the dashboard clean. Live road view directly on your car's display. Easy clip management from your phone or car. Double tap the screen to instantly save important moments. Clear footage during the day or night, and important videos automatically lock themselves. And there it is one more time, butt check family. Definitely check out the OttoSafe Cam from AutoCast. Link down below. Check them out. This is actually like the 4th time that I've worked with the AutoCast family. So link down below. I'm doing my best to choose sponsors that have not only quality products, but affordability, because affordability is so much more important, especially in this day and age. So I hope you guys rock with it. Thank you to AutoCast for sponsoring the video again. And of course, always you guys for making this possible. I'll see you guys later, either late tonight or early tomorrow. And as always, I don't know what it is, but I know somehow, some way, it's about to get better. Love y'all forever. Peace.